Hello students, we have discussed formulas in previous video. In this session, we shall discuss about functions. If you remember in previous video, we discussed that to add values stored in cell C3 and D3, we can write formula equal to C3 plus D3. But sometimes these formulas become lengthy and difficult to write. To overcome that problem, spreadsheets software like Calc provides you functions, for example, to add values stored in cell C2 and D2. You can write function equal to sum small bracket starts C2 colon D2 small bracket closed. As you can see, that those values on which we have to perform calculations are written in small brackets or parentheses. These are called arguments. Calc provides hundreds of functions like that. We shall discuss some functions today. For example, to calculate average marks of English subject, you can write function equal to average small bracket starts C2 colon C6 small bracket closed. Now suppose you want to find highest marks of subject Hindi, you can write function like equal to max small bracket starts D2 colon D6 small bracket closed. Similarly, if you have to find lowest marks of subject Hindi, you can write equal to min small bracket starts D2 colon D6 small bracket closed. So now we can define function as functions are predefined formulas that perform specific calculations. For example, sum, average, max, min. With this, we come to end of our discussion today. Thank you.